It's as if the defendant has not even served a file memorandum. And yet, Olorun Femi Ayekusi appeared for the defendant. Call Shola. Ganga Allen, this is his own case. Last adjourned date, he was not in court. Today, he is not in court. Your own case. Ganga Allen, is he not a lawyer? I think Ganga Allen is a lawyer. Huh? He is a lawyer. Don't you have Ganga Allen, lawyer, here? Ganga Allen used to appear before me now, except if this Ganga Allen is a different one. He's the same lawyer, but so even your own case as lawyer, you won't. You see, on the 4th October, he did not come to court. He was in court in March. He was the one who said there is ongoing settlement. Then in October, he didn't come to court. This is December. He's not online.
Wait. Did you send me the Zoom? Okay.
And they will make me keep this thing on boarding my data. Call somebody's physical case. Let's be doing something. And then tell me if after they didn't join, tell me why I will not strike out the matter after burning my data waiting for them. Word of defendant. Appearances.
With due respect to this honorable court.
Yes.
My name is Henry.
Henry who?
Who we spelled UBOGE. I'm appearing for the claim.
Yes.
ABC court. Hello, I am Abiodun Akibi. My name. I respectfully appear for the defendant. Lord, I'm very sorry for the absence of
Henry.
defendant.
You're welcome. Henry.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
The matter is treated for hearing.
Okay.
The matter is treated for hearing.
Yes.
So we are ready.
Are you sure you are ready?
The reason why
Because you are stammering with the ready.
we served a subpoena to one of our witnesses.
Yeah.
Bring the vital document that my lordship signed. Or I've not seen the message from the bank. That was supposed to bring the statement of account of the claimant.
Okay.
Which is very vital.
Okay.
My lordship signed the last.
Okay.
That's our was asking
Your case. Okay, where is Shola? You know, when he brought it, I said, and this is Clement, so that he will, I know when I signed this thing last week, I wanted Shola to be here. He can even tell you I complained. That is not how we do things. Your case is coming up today, and you are giving me subpoena to sign last week around Tuesday. When will they? It was either Tuesday or Wednesday, even. Thank you. Wednesday. I signed subpoena on Wednesday. When will they serve him? Then when will they compile the something and then assign an officer to come? Are they your staff in the bank that they will keep all other works to do your own urgently? Yourself, why they are not in court is your own fault. In fact, I even contemplated whether or not to sign it that last week because I knew they won't be in court today and I won't blame them. So don't throw the blame on them. Say your lordship signed it to give me impression I signed, they refused to obey. I signed something on Wednesday and they are to be on court on Monday. I beg.
with due respect, sir. We didn't know this matter of the coming of last week.
Because it's your matter, you will not be finding out the status of the case. You just go home and sleep. It's my case now. It's my case. They are ready. He said it's for hearing and we are ready. Abiodun.
I'm surprised that your lordship addressed on the matter. Because it will surprise your lordship.
I am not addressed anything apart from this issue of subpoena last week.
Okay, sir.
I remember subpoena very well last week, and I was even complaining myself.
But as the defendant in this matter, I have always been the one following up this matter.
Because it's your case.
It's not my case, sir.
No, it's your case. He has nothing at stake. It's your case, so you have the headache. He will sleep.
But because I'm concerned about justice, sir, I want this matter to be heard speedily. So that will not be.
He is ready. You heard him. He said he is ready. Are you ready?
Madam, I'm ready.
Oh yeah, call your witness.
Hello.
Yes.
If we proceed with due respect, we will not be able to proceed also. We can proceed or not be able to proceed.
With this witness. With this witness.
So I only have one witness, but I need to document the marriage to be able to back up.
Henry. So let me put you on record now. Yes. First of all, the matter is for hearing and we are ready. Abiodun said we are ready. Now, what do you say? Let me put you on record.
I want the matter is for hearing.
Yes.
If not for the fact that the witness that was subpoenaed will be before your lordship, it's not before this honorable court. We will have proceeded in our matter and conclude it this morning. My Lord,
I recorded you as saying the witness we subpoenaed is not before the court and we cannot proceed. Because you had already said we are ready. You are on record on that one. So the subpoenaed witness is not before the court and we cannot proceed. Yes?
in order to make the trial to be carried out, forgetting the case so that we just take, we only have one witness. The subpoena is just coming before your lordship with a document that is carried out.
What are you claiming? I said, what is he claiming?
What are they? We are claiming the particulars of the vehicle that the claimant has fully paid for while he was working for the vendor, that the original document and damages. General damage.
Counsel, statement of facts and complaint, which one takes precedence over the other? I said, which one takes precedence over the other? Good. So which paragraph contains your prayers in the statement of facts? Paragraph 32, there is no A, B, or C. It just ends in paragraph 33. How is your own? We talk about statement of facts and complaint. Now, when I asked you to show me your prayer in the complaint, you went to witness statement. Is that how we do things? Where is your prayer in statement of facts? Because if statement of facts takes precedence over the complaint, because that has been the law, so that if there is a conflict between the prayers in the statement of facts and the one in the complaint, it is the one in statement of facts that prevails. Now I have a situation where the man has no prayers at all in the complaint, and the complaint is supposed to prevail over the in the statement of facts. Statement of facts is supposed to prevail. How did you come about that? The man is praying in his witness statement, but is not covered by the statement of facts. This is prayer, it's not in the statement of facts. When all he even needed to do in his witness statement is that I claim as per my statement of facts. So that I don't like doing work that I can see there is problem. The first time I'm seeing this, honestly. Did you proofread the work? Or is it your secretary that just type and just compile? You send them, go and file. You didn't proofread the work? Because I wonder how you could proofread this work and fail to see that your claim has no prayers. So that we will do all this work, and then when we come to judgment, after I have summarized everything, okay, it won't go far. In the judgment, I won't go far because usually I start with, he took out the complaint on so date, he asked for so reliefs. That is why I spell out the relief. So from paragraph 1, I will meet the hitch. Or do you have any authority that says the prayer in the complaint is valid even if there is no prayer in the statement of facts? Do you have any such authority? Me, I've never seen it myself. Telling you. Abiodun,
Well, my lord, it has always been an issue with respect to environment finding a valid and competent for this point. My lord, I'm going somewhere. I'm going somewhere.
Kai, cancel. Please, please,
I'm going somewhere.
please.
As a couple.
It's not only lawyers that are in this court, he is your colleague. Please, please,
As a couple.
please, please. We have noted, all of us have seen it, that is enough.
As a couple.
It's enough.
As a couple.
He still remains your colleague. When we get out of court, you are still friends.
As a couple. But my lord,
So just respond to his application for adjournment. Restrict your response to that.
we have observations to make.
Please leave the observation. Please, I'm begging you, counsel. Please, please leave the observations. Please, yes. Just respond to his application for adjournment.
My lord, I think that the witness that is in court is the main witness.
Do you oppose or do you concede? I usually like it like that so that every submission you are making, I am assessing it against the fact that you are opposing. But when you just start this grammar, I will still be waiting. And some of them, they used to do that long grammar at the end. They say, in the interest of justice, we are not opposing after I have recorded. I beg, it's not grammar. It's just, let's start it straightforward. We object. Then all your submissions, I know they are to support your objection. You understand? But when you just start with all these ones, I don't know where you are going. I may end up recording you lengthy, and then you say, in the interest of justice, we do not object. It has happened severally.
I'll get that.
Yes, then we go to the reasons.
And I want the court to compel the witness to enter the witness box, because if the main witness can conclude within today, and then the next time take the court officer, I mean the bank officer, and subpoena. My lord, in the alternative, I came in from outside the institution. I flew in yesterday and I was flying back today.
Yes.
So I will be asking in the alternative, I will be asking for cost.
You ask for Abi, you will be asking.
I'm asking for the cost of it.
Cost of how much?
I will leave that to the cost.
See, if you say you don't ask for cost and you leave it to me, I can also be naughty. I can say cost is awarded.
I will ask for cost of.
But you get my point. I can say, okay, I award cost in your favor. Go and implement the cost. Let's see. Yes, I can also do that. So please, if you are asking for cost, ask for, say, I ask for cost of so.
I'm moderately asking for cost of 50,000 naira.
50.
50,000 naira.
Okay.
That's the moderate.
Because I came from
outside.
From where now?
From Lagos.
By flight.
Very well, sir.
You said so? You said by flight?
Yes, sir. And I'll be going back by flight. I'll also spend the night in the hotel.
Okay.
That's my answer.
Thank you. Henry. Yes.
Like I told you,
Yes.
the weakness that was contained
Hmm?
which is very wide.
Yes.
But we thank God
You have said it. We have recorded you already. Yes. Yes. Then cost. You said he flew in from Lagos yesterday and he's going back by flight, and he is doing nothing today because of your own fault. So you should pay him 50,000.
My latest friend has clients are very bold.
Mm. Okay.
Note this honorable court. This the claimant in this suit
Mm.
does not have a vote.
So they are buoyant. You sue them. So they should just waste money because they are buoyant. Are you thinking like Nigerians that like your village people now? As they see you now, you have all the monies that can solve every problem on earth. So when they ask you for money and you say you don't have money, they don't believe you. I don't know whether you are encountering that one. Have you encountered it? If you tell them I don't have, do they used to believe you?
My latest friend knows his position of things with
So that their money, the pharmaceutical money, their money is profit from business and is meant to solve other problems or be invested into the business, not to just waste to pay lawyer to come here and just come back and then just like that. And you sue them and you didn't do your own. That is why they are saying pay them costs so that you will sit up. Who says they have not done the needful? Is it not after judgment that I will decide whether or not they have done the needful? It's after judgment that I will decide whether or not they have done the needful. Yes. Benga Allen.
Morning, my lord.
Okay, I will be with you in a moment.
Yes, my lord.
You see, this your case, it needs adjournment on two fronts. Because apart from this issue of that witness, I don't know how you would have gone ahead with this case today if we want justice, if you want justice for your client. So This thing has started, what? Give us the
Working together, we are all, I mean, especially for the election, we can apply just 24th of January. It's a Monday.
the we can't take it. We have 4 fiscal matters.
I thought. What was that time for? 24th of January.
Look for a Monday so that he wants to fly in from Lagos on a Sunday. Is that okay? Okay, an adjournment is best in the interest of justice and it is hereby granted at the instance of the claimant as his first adjournment. Remember our order 38. Only 2 adjournments. So this is your first adjournment. The defendant is entitled to cost, which is assessed at 20,000 naira to be paid on or before the next adjournment date, or the court shall invoke the provisions of Order 38, Rule 4 of the rules of this court. Check your Order 38, Rule 4 of the rules. Yes, this case is adjourned to 7 February 2022 for hearing. Please do all that you need to do before that date. Do it on time to rectify whatever problem you have in your process. You're welcome. Yes, Benga Allen.
Humbly, my Lord,
Yes.
I appear in person, my Lord. I
Okay.
appear in person.
My Lord. This is the part of Bengali.
Which one is this?
The next physical matter. The forgotten is the name.
Card. Oh, cover. Cover. Hmm? Yes, Benga Allen appears in person
Yes, my Lord.
as claimant.
As claimant, my Lord.
Yes. Yes,
Uh,
defendant. Is a defendant in court? In March, you were the only one who appeared. Then in October, it was only the defendant that appeared. Today is December, you are the only one that appears.
yes, ma'am. My Lord, I was unable to access I never knew that I was not given the new Zoom, the Zoom passcode. My Lord, it appears that this is a matter since 2020, October. And it appears that the defendant, they are not ready They are not ready.
The report of settlement.
Yes, my lord. They are not doing anything, my lord. And I will apply that this matter be slated for hearing, my lord. They are refused to do anything. They have not even filed their own defense. So I crave indulgence for the initiated settlement, but they are not forthcoming, my lord. And I am suffering after working for that 5 years. Oh.
Give us date for hearing of Benga's case. Case adjourned to 8 February 2022 for hearing. Hearing notice to issue on the defendant.
Ascot places.
I
I'm not
actually
grateful, my lord.
wonder why, because they have not they have not even filed.
Their defense, my lord.
They have not filed. Have they even filed memorandum of appearance?
No, my lord. They don't even have the right to be able to appear, my lord. They have not filed anything.
But counsel at the last adjourned date, a counsel appeared because you were not in court. You couldn't say whether they. So I just took it that they had a file appearance or something, and they said settlement was ongoing. So we will still serve them.
Yes, ma'am.
You will serve the defendants. You hear?
Ascot places, my lord.
Service is on the defendants. The way the originating process was served. That is how you serve them hearing notice. Thank you. All right, that is all for today's Zoom. So we will all leave.